one of the main perpetrators, Trump. Trumpy. Trump. Hey. Look at me. Not you, Nala.
Yeah, the towel was yellow, so was the pan.
Another one of the perpetrators. Shit mongrel number 2. Black ass.
Shit, mommy, title is.
Get ready for it. Here comes the pain. The reason their basement has stunk for so long. That's right, folks. It's all shit.
The towel's gonna clean up the shit.
There he goes. Scoop it, baby.
Man.
They're scooping up the poop.
Oh, man, you're stirring up a whole pile of shit. No pun intended. Man. Is it hard to leave? Yep. Loving it. Man, there's shit smeared on the wall.
Shit on the walls?
Everywhere. Darn it. Oh, my Christ.
Get that ball out here. We'll try to clean it somehow. What do you have to shit on the ball for, you know? Oh. Can we get the shit on the ball?
Oh, my God.
Oh, it stinks getting this close.
Can I put it in the
Turn the
bowl
ball.
temporarily?
Yeah. Yeah. Just shit on the ball.
Oh.
Look at brown eyeball. Oh. Bastard.
Hair on the shit, too.
Hair on the shit. On their water dish. At a bag right beside you.
I just didn't try to put it in
Look
the
at
bowl.
the bag right beside you.
Yeah.
It's now on their water dish. That'll teach them. Look at a bunch of cakes. Look at it's cakes.
Oh.
These are shit cakes.
Oh.
It looks like a large-scale marijuana bud.
Yeah. Let's try and smoke it.
Try to smoke it?
I'll do it if you give me $100. I will smoke a whole log.
Hey, Zach! Zach!
Oh no, you're actually gonna do it?
Zach! Zach! You have $50?
That's Zach. He has nothing.
Zach! You have $50? If we can sell $100 to try to smoke the catch.
I will do it for $100. Man, I would love to see you do that. If I had $50, I'd totally do that. I would do it really good. Whatever, man. That's $100. That's $100. Probably get $50 to go to the doctor. Probably just poisoned and die.
Medical bill off the camera. Fantastic.
Your medical bill will be like $300 and your stomach pumped from all the shit you inhaled.
Stomach pumped. Your lungs fucking scraped. The fucking dick.
No, we found the cause for
You
your,
fucking burn your arm?
with salt and ice cubes.
What? Why'd you do that?
It was awesome. What do you mean how? You ever done that before?
Why?
Oh.
You make ice cream.
Salt and ice cubes? I don't think so.
Sorry, did you do?
I think you've been there before.
No!
Pretty sure it's made with milk.
Yeah, dude.
And
You get all your ingredients, and you have 2 buckets. Second bucket, you put fucking ice and salt all in it, and then you wrap it up in like a furniture blanket. And it fucking like, it's so cold that it fucking...
What?
It creams
Turns into Neapolitan?
Yes.
Oh, yummy.
Look at how they put a little fucking cashew in a water dish.
Yeah, fucking eat it. Would you preserve it? Yeah, no, I'll put some food in there. I'll deceive him.
A little bit of ash.
Ooh. Trump comes around.
Here comes Trump.
Yummy. Let's go. Come on, eat from the bowl.
Come on. The lure's working. No. And they're not interested. Oh, wait. Black Hat's going for round 2. Oh, here comes Trump again.
They're like, maybe I can just pick that one out.
Looking shit on my nose.
Whatever. Put that in the middle of your coffee table. It'll be a nice centerpiece. People come over and be like, that's nice. What is it? You'd be like, that's not nice.
Trumpy?
Pile of shit.
You Trumpy? This is Black Hat. Here, Black Hat. It's only a pretty face.
You ever burn that exact knife at all? Want to grab one? Yeah, I have an exact knife. Alright, how do we do this tomorrow?
Hey, we can put this on YouTube.
Yeah, if they eat from the bowl. 10 million views for sure.
They're hungry now. Oh. Come on, Trump. Yeah, so close.
So close.
Oh man, if we put a can of fucking cat meat, they'd eat it.
Mix it all up in it.
Oh, you want to do it?
No, that's
No,
stupid.
that's bad, man. You don't want to be shit.
That's
We don't want to be that mean.
months old now.
Oh, that makes it so much better.
Cutie.
Well, no, I'm not saying make it worse. Just raw crap.
A battery or shit?
You're one of the perpetrators, brother, aren't you? Shape of a battery.
Put it in the controller.
Just oozing out.
Well, I think I can pause and record a 3-hour video on this.
Wish you had an actual video camera. You have one. I know I do.
So that's all, folks.
But that's all, folks.